Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like it. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. And if you're coming back, viewer, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I felt like making some type of a stew today because it felt like a really autumn outside. It's really feeling like fall. It's really feeling, giving that cold breeze vibe. So I was like, let me make some stew today. So stay tuned for the recipe. Today's recipe is nothing complicated, really. It's basically a one pot meal, but I have all my carrots, I have my corn, my bell peppers, and my onions. But you are free to add any type of vegetables you want, and you're also free to subtract any vegetable that you don't want to put in there. And I also have my little baby potatoes, the golden ones, but you can put the red ones if you want. So everything is optional here. And this is my pork. I already washed it and chopped it into these medium-sized pieces. So what I'm going to do is start seasoning them. You can season it however you want. It's nothing complicated. You can add some garlic powder, whatever floats your boat. Honestly, season it the way you want, okay? So for my seasoning, I am using a seasoning that has a combination of cloves, nutmeg, cumin, black pepper, and white pepper. And I will be also adding extra nutmeg because, I just like nutmeg like that. So I'll be adding extra nutmeg, a little bit of salt. I will be adding a little bit of water, and that's it for my seasoning. I don't feel like myself at all. Now that we started, you feel this disregarded. Oh, I'll be me regardless. Look what you done started. And now that it's over, I feel like I'm one step closer. Oh, time has been right in front of me. When you said you was leaving, that was just what I needed. All the weight I carried on my shoulders when you was around. We're going to bring our meat to a boil just to make sure our meat is fully cooked inside and it has softened up. But for me, what I like to do is let all that water dissolve. And when I see the natural oils of the meat, that's when I start stir frying, because I don't really like that pale look on my meat. I really like my meat to have that brown color. So I will stir fry it. But this is also optional. You don't have to stir fry it if you don't want to. You can go ahead and add all your vegetable in. When your meat is fully cooked, fully tender, you can go ahead and add your meat. I mean, not your meat, but your vegetables inside. But for me, this is the type of color I like my meat to look. And then after getting it to that color, I will start adding all the vegetables that I cut, my bell peppers, my carrots, my corn. I will add all of those vegetables inside and add my water. But you are free to add any other vegetables that comes in mind. For example, squash. What else can we add on here? Whatever vegetable that you like, go ahead and add it. All the weight I carried on my
like I'm not ready to change me, and you can't save me. With you, I don't feel like myself at all. Now that we parted, you feel disregarded. Oh, I'ma be me regardless. Look what you done started, and now that it's
After adding all my vegetables, I'm going to add some water and I'm going to let this cook until our vegetable has softened up and are ready to eat.
when you said you was leaving, that was just what I needed. All the weight I carried on my shoulders. When you was
So here is my pork stew after it has been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. All my food is nicely tender. My carrots are tender. My potatoes are tender. Everything is nicely cooked and ready to eat. So this is it. This is a quick, easy fix. This is a quick, easy meal on those days that I was feeling really cold and you just want something cozy to eat, something that's gonna warm up your soul. This is definitely one of those recipes. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. I am really looking forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Thank you and have a great one.
that was just what I needed. All the weight I carried on my shoulders when you was around. 'Cause maybe I feel like I'm not ready to change me, and you can't save me. With you, I don't feel like myself.